Now we have a better understanding of what negative numbers are, and we learn how to use them and when to use them and what they actually mean. Since we are done with this, now we can understand what integers are. So before discussing integers, let me remind you that we know what are natural numbers. So if we have number 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on, so called this set of numbers is called natural numbers. These are natural numbers. If to this set, that is to the set of natural numbers, if we introduce a number 0 and rest all is same, 2, 3, 4, and so on, that is if we introduce number 0 to natural numbers, then this set becomes whole numbers. So these all are whole numbers because it contains 0 also. So all the numbers of belonging to this set, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, are called whole numbers. Now clearly this 1, 2, 3, 4 is nothing else but are actually natural numbers. So 0 included with natural numbers makes that set a whole numbers. But what if I write like this? Let's say -5, -4, -3. Let me make some space, proper space. I write -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, and this 0, and then this 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. So this set 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on was natural numbers. If we include 0 in this set, it makes it what? Whole numbers, right? This is natural numbers, this is whole numbers. And if we introduce negative numbers to these two sets, right? If we introduce negative numbers to whole number, then it makes it what? Integers. This was whole numbers, and this was natural numbers. So if we bring in negative numbers in the set of whole numbers, then that becomes integers. So integers are nothing else but the negative numbers with 0 and with all the positive numbers you know. So even it can be -6, it can be further -7, it can be -8. Now you would be thinking that, hey, if we are writing 1, then 2, then 3, then 4 in an increasing number, but here we are actually writing the increasing number in an opposite direction. Like here you are writing in the to the right side and the numbers are increasing, but here numbers are increasing in the left side. So for a moment just forget this one, because we are going to discuss this particular thing on number line, and we will discuss that concept, or how to represent negative numbers and positive numbers and 0 on number line in the next video. This video is all about integers, to introduce you what actually integers are. So again I'll repeat, integers are all the negative numbers plus 0, that is included in that numbers will be 0, and all the positive integers. So if you bring in the negative numbers in whole numbers, then that will make it integers, right? So integers can be positive, can be 0, and can be negative. whole numbers can be 0 and can be positive, but natural numbers cannot be 0, they can only be positive and they can also not be negative. So that is the main thing, that natural numbers start from 1, whole numbers start from 0, and integers will start from any negative number that you can think of, and then it will have 0 also, and it will have all the positive numbers also.